welcome to this learning video. We will discuss an important concept that often appears in the world of business and accounting, corporate governance. We will learn in the definition and also understand why this concept is so important in the world. What is the corporate governance? Corporate governance is the set of rules, policies, and processes that govern how companies are controlled and directed. In other words, corporate governance is how companies ensure that all its activities are conducted in a transparent, fair, responsible, and lawful manner. Corporate governance acts as a link between independent persons in the company, namely shareholders, owner of capital, management who manage the company, board of commissioners who supervise management. A simple example, imagine the company as a car. The owner of the car is the shareholder, the driver is the management, and the passenger are the stakeholders. Well, corporate governance is the traffic rules and signs that ensure the car gets into destination safely and efficiently. Not reckless driving, not crashing into the law, and not harming in the passengers. Background to corporate governance. Why is the concept so important? So, look at some of the reasons why corporate governance is important. One, conflict of interests or agency problems. When company owners and manager are not the same person, conflict and arise. Manager may pursue personal gain, such as raising their own salaries or making decisions that are benefit in the short term but detrimental to the company in the future. Corporate governance is there to supervise and control, so that management works in according with company goals. Two, financial scandals and fraud. Cases like Enron US, Satam Indian, or even Javaria Indonesia show what can happen in a company does not have a good supervision system. Financial report are manipulation, company money is controlled, corrupted, and is causing image loss, investor, and the public. From here come the realization that companies must have a strong system of supervision and accountability. 3. Demand from investors and global markets. Nowadays, investors are more cautious and selective. They want to know, is the company transparent? Are the financial statements reliable? Is there an independent board of commissioner to oversee? With corporate governance, companies can build trust, which is important to attract investors and draw sustainability. 4. International regulation and standards. Many countries already require the implementation of corporate governance, including Indonesia. For example, OJK encourage companies to implement 5 principles of good governance: transparency, accountability, responsibility, independence, and fairness. Um, in conclusion, so sovereign corporate governance is very important because keep the companies managed and honest and transparent manner, avoid conflict of interest between management and owners, increases the trust of investor, the public and market, helps companies grow in sustainability and ethical. Why? Corporate governance is not just about rules, but about integrity and responsibility in running in the business. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully, this explanation of corporate governance can increase your understanding. Bye.